Want a surprise? Give this paw a dunk. Now we've got a bunch of tiny blocks. What are you gonna make? A kitty cat. Yeah, something tells me you're a cat person. Hey, there's more blocks inside this slime ball. We could use them to make a dog. After all, some people are dog people. Of course, they get along like, well, cats and dogs. Oh, a dog box. It's got a chain of puppies. Huh, that corgi could use a little something. Press down in the sand and add glue. Pretty soon, you'll have a pair of sandy cheeks. This corgi's gonna have some spring in his seat. Next up, we're gonna need some tiny drops. Until we've got a bunch of paw prints at hand. Make that hands. Next up, take your lucky cat's paw and give it a nice bubbly soda soak. Just make sure you give it room to grow. With paws, it's go big or go home. Who's calling, kitty? Guess we'll never know. Maybe it's okay. Or maybe I'm wrong. Naughty kitty. Well, maybe we can fix it. And we've got a fluffy puppy to help. He'd be happy to hold your phone for you. Ooh, he gets great reception too. Best of all, he comes in handy when you drop a call. Kitty sure loves to leave his mark. Guess Puss didn't like those boots. Don't worry, our friend Catnap will help. Now you can always step out in style. Just don't forget to make a pair. Aw, what a cute little husky puppy. Why don't we take her for a walk? Or is she the one walking us? But first, she's just gotta dance. Oh, guess that was the potty dance. Aw, but you're still the cutest. Guess Kitty's got an out-of-the-box idea. Make some cuts and flip the tables. Now it's time to put a new face on things. Plus a tail and a new leash. Now we can walk the dog. Cat dog. Wow, look, it's a jumping kitty balloon. Uh-oh, Kitty's claws are out tonight. At least she left us someone to remember her by. Wow, they grow up so fast. Talk about a pinch to grow an inch. We don't have a balloon, but we do have socks. Take one and fill it up with cotton. Twist and turn it like a sausage. Pretty soon, you've got a new puppy. Cats love to keep clean, but it can be dirty work. Hey, keep your fuzz to yourself. Still, it'd be a shame to waste it. Poke it with a needle. Add some stripes. Soon, we'll have an itty-bitty kitty. He even comes with a tiny box. Isn't he cute? Wait, inspiration strikes! Wrap a fuzzy pipe cleaner around a pencil. Now run the tail through the hole. Keep on twisting and turning. Soon, we've got a fuzzy little poodle. He's no bigger than your finger. Especially since he slides right on. Hey, what's wrong? Uh-oh, another dog! This really is a dog-eat-dog world. Wait a minute, that's not a real dog. Hey, pillow fights come after tea time. Oh, and you stained his favorite shirt. Well, we can use it for our next craft. We can use it to make a brand new cat. Now let's fill it up with stuffing. Add eyes, a nose, and a mouth. And every cat needs some whiskers. Ooh, someone's got a cool cat blind bag. I wonder what's inside. A paper running game. First, you need to pick your avatar. Now jump over all the obstacles. The best part, it doesn't need batteries. Do they make doggy blind bags? Of course they do. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, a paper dog game. Just need to put it together. Now feed that puppy. It's someone's special day. It's Kitty's birthday. Uh-oh, did you forget to buy him a gift? Well, we'll just have to make him something. Besides, it's really the thought that counts. And your brain already wants to help. Looks like we're making a box of cats. Fold it up into a pop-up birthday card. Look, it's practically a party and a card. Here you go, Kitty. Happy birthday. Hey, you have a frog in your throat? Oh, make that a dog in your throat. This could be Kitty's next present. Just roll it up and add to a paper house. Come on, Kitty. Let's take this wiener dog on a roll.
I'm so happy. This is the best day of my life. I've got some news.
I'm gonna be a daddy? Whoa, you're huge!
But...
Let's get out of here. Come on, through here.
Where are we going?
Huh? What's that? I'll take a look. Are you seeing this? Ooh, a pretty light. Wait a second. Whoa! Where are we? Wow, a house.
Don't even think about it. Hey, how's it doing? Wanna buy it?
Yes, we'll take it.
This is gross. Beat it, Spider.
It's perfect.
Hand over the cash.
I hope this will be enough.
My mom warned me about him. Wow, look at that. This is a nightmare.
Our first home.
What the? Well, Oh, it's everything I ever wanted.
Is she serious?
Nice doing business with you. Okay, that was weird. We are really living here.
I need to fix this. I know what to do. Ew. This must have been one big spider. Oh, hello, bird. Let's pretend that didn't happen. Ooh, there's a lot to do.
Wait, what's that? His tail is in the paint. That gives me an idea. Hold still.
Oh, my tail!
Your tail makes a great brush.
Ooh, that's kind of ticklish. Ooh.
That should do it.
Oh, finally, it's over.
Are you okay? Ew, a fur ball. Oh, hang on.
Oh, come on!
What have you been eating? This is perfect. We'll tape it to the roof. This will add some glamour to this house. What are you doing now?
I'm sleepy.
Hey, stop it!
Whoops, my bad.
We need to finish this. That wasn't so hard.
Wow, nice work.
What do you stand on? Give me that.
Whoa! Ow! My head! What's the big idea?
Yeah, this is perfect.
Oh, I know. This'll be clawsome. Oh.
Hey, knock it off. Be careful.
Oh, much better. What's going on over there, sweetie?
Oh, that was nasty. No way.
Wow, it's a masterpiece. Let's put it on the house. That wasn't supposed to happen. Don't look at me.
What are we going to do?
Wait, I've got it.
I'm regretting this already.
It's super sticky. Let's try this again. I knew that would work.
Let's go inside.
Wow.
Ew, this was a mistake. Spiders!
We've got pets. Oh, so cute.
Are you crazy?
Shh, you'll wake the spider. It's not so bad. Delicious.
That's it. Out.
Oh, you make me laugh.
Look what I've got.
Wow, gimme.
It works every time. Now I can clean this room. I can't believe I'm doing this. But someone has to.
Wow, red string.
I think I got it all. There is still a lot of to be done.
Huh? Oh, I can't eat your ratty.
That was tough. Now I'll add lights. This will make it cozy. It looks better already. What?
Crunchy.
That's the man I love. Now, where was I? This is so soft. I'll add pillows. I can't forget this.
Oh, whoa, that was a big one. Woo.
It makes me happy. This is a good spot for it. Oh, honey!
I'm on my way. Whoa, you did all this? Wow, look at this. You did amazing. Give me a hug.
The baby's coming!
Just relax. I know. Put this on. I'm gonna have a look. Is that normal? Oh, I'm out of depth here. What am I gonna do? Let me think.
Do something! Are you kidding me?
What was that for? I've got it! Here, kitty, kitty, kitty!
You are kidding, right? Are you sure about this?
Oh, yeah. I've got something. Honey, look! He's got my whiskers! He's beautiful! What's going on? What have you done? Look at the wall! I'll fix it. I have just the thing.
This looks interesting.
I'll wrap the string around the pipe. I need to concentrate.
You are doing great.
I need one more thing.
Why are you looking at me? Hey!
This'll do. I'll put it on top. Now I need to paint it.
Hey, my drink!
I'm feeling artistic. Looking good. I need some sparkle.
That's ticklish.
Now for the finishing touches. Our kitten's first toy. Kitty!
Hooray!
Oh, he likes it.
It's so adorable.
It doesn't get better than this. Look, sweetie.
It's a storm. I'm scared.
I'll be right back. Whoa, it's wild in here. Whoa! I'm staying here.
Hold me. Oh.
Wait, the kitten. We need to keep him warm. Oh.
Hang on. I have an idea. I need my sock. Don't worry, it's clean. I need to make some adjustments.
Really? Oh, I get it. Here, use this mini moon. It's the perfect accessory.
Let's try it on.
Does it fit?
Look at that.
Oh, that's the cutest. Kitty will be nice and warm. Look, the storm is stopping.
Oh, what a relief. Huh?
A ball of string.
It's mine.
You're coming with me.
Catch, honey.
Where is the kitten?
Oh no, he's gone.
This is bad. Kitty, where are you?
There's no sign of him. Wait, a clue. You need to see this.
Time to take out the trash and practice your swing, too. Careful. Oh, no. Now you're really gonna get it. Well, at least the trash is out. Hey, what's that? A wallet! And it's a fast one, too. Think it's a trap? The cat and the hammer makes me think yes. Oh no! He's out cold! It's okay. I'll grab the wallet. Uh-oh. Looks like we're in the cat's evil lair. And just in time to see him use his new toy. This device lets him control your brain! Comes complete with a pair of cat eyes, too. This cat is in control. Sorry, these nails don't retract. But you can still groom those paws. In fact, you should really step up your grooming game. Don't worry, Mama's got this covered. Let's get things started. Turn on the water. Of course, cats don't quite like water, do they? And he's not breaking tradition today, is he? Come on, the sooner we start, the sooner we're done. Think we should have tried a shower instead? Maybe some peanut butter can help. Take a spoonful and smear it on top of this cool tool. Here, kitty kitty. It's peanuts in butter form. Well, that sure put a smile on his face. Yes, peanut butter. Goes great with jelly. See, I knew he'd prefer a shower. Now shampoo. Aw, he'll be squeaky clean in no time. Need a towel? Just shake it off. Hey, do you hear something? Uh-oh, a vacuum! Oh no! Cats just hate those loud vacuums. It's one thing they agree with dogs about. If only we could somehow turn off the volume. Or, barring that, find some place to hide. Ah, calm down. Here, have some water. Ooh, nature calls. To the lavatory! Of course, cats prefer using litter boxes. And by litter boxes, I mean shoes. Ooh, he's got a whole selection to choose from. Okay, the coast is clear. It's go time. Hey, do you hear footsteps? Here she comes. Uh-oh, somebody's looking a little anxious. Don't worry, just need to hide that mess. Nothing suspicious here. That plant was always there. And it's supposed to smell like that. Well, probably. Some kitty's a little pink in the face. That's it. You're learning to use the toilet. And wash your hands when you're done. Have no fear, the litter box is here. Ah, now that feels more like it. Well, that's not very attractive. It's downright disgusting. Come on, let's cover it up. You kind of missed the target. Not to mention, you made a huge mess. This looks like a job for another cool tool. Cover up this clip with some plastic. Now it's our very own Hooper Scooper. And we've got our very own disposal system. Looks like Kitty wants to spend quality time with you. Unfortunately, you're a real boy now. And real boys have to go to school. The teacher should be here any minute. So make sure you're on your best behavior. Granted, that's good behavior for a cat. Hope he doesn't mind another shower. Uh-oh, I think he's gonna blow chunks. Oh, false alarm. It was just a hairball. Here, you can keep it if you want. Well, either way, it's time for math class. Think you can solve these equations? Well, at least give it the old college try. It's just a little addition and subtraction. But he seems more interested in that pointer. It's like that laser pointer all over again. Unfortunately, that's not in the curriculum. Yeah, that F isn't for fantastic. Well, at least we get a break. Lunchtime! Oh no, a cucumber! A cat's worst fear! Quick, grab it before it becomes a pickle! Meanwhile, he's having seafood for lunch. Guess someone likes their fish fresh. On second thought, it's starting to smell ripe. Yeah, she's gonna stick with tuna salad. What the? Is that a hairball? They're everywhere! Seriously, where is all this fur even coming from? Aw, don't be embarrassed. Be the solution. Use this brush to collect any loose hair. And disposal's a breeze. Keeps it all in one place. Oh, is school out already? Guess it's time to relax. If only there wasn't a scary mirror, stranger. Quick, crab walk maneuver. Oh, this mat feels great. In fact, it's the perfect spot for a little cat nap. Of course, while the boy's away, the cat will play. Let's dream up something fun. A toy mouse. Aw, he's gonna sleep good tonight. Unless, of course, he ends up waking up. Hey, look at that. Mama's got a brand new cat. You can just feel the sadness. Anxiety, too. She might make this a one feline household. And it's back to being an alley cat for you. Let's hope there aren't any alley dogs. But I wouldn't worry. I'd get angry and sneaky. Let's remind her what trouble cats can be. After all, we're working with an expert. Now let's take care of the competition. Uh-oh, Mama doesn't look too happy. That was her favorite stuffed cat. Did I forget to mention it was just a toy? Oh no! I think we've been kicked out of the house! We'll have to find a new one. Hey, look! There's another stray looking for a home. Well, this one seems to have gotten lucky. And he's been taken into good hands. Maybe they have room for one more cat. Knock, knock. Can I come in? Please, let me be your friend. Uh-oh. I guess the cute eyes didn't work. Oh no! Mom's got the purse! Run! And y'all don't come back now, you hear? We definitely need another plan. Look, your nail! Well, it's a start. It's also just what we need to get back inside. We're in! Keep an eye out for Mom. Ooh, she's busy with the chores. Try to sneak in unnoticed. Or you could just do that. Looks like he's planning another experiment. Kitty's gonna transfer into her body now. Do you ever get that empty-headed feeling? But now you've got a cat for a mom. You know, I always wondered if she'd end up a cat lady. Careful, Pomni! This cat likes to leave its mark. Let's fill it up with glue. Now it's time to cut it out. Really, we literally need to cut it out. It's just what we need for our memorial. Oh, poor kitty. You'll be missed. I'm sure he lives on in our hearts. Oh, I told you to check for a pulse. We should take a deeper look inside. Well, hello from the other side. And Kitty's back.
Wow.
Kinda. Either way, it's time to play with our new doll. Here, Kitty will hang up your wraps. And why don't we show your face to the world? Much better. And soon, you'll be feeling store-bought new with a nice wax job. Now let's peel it off. Careful, you missed a hair. Like a brand new doll. Now take some noodles, soften them up. And soon, Dolly will have new hair. Happy birthday, Kitty. Not that you're any older. But we can still have a cake. We even have the perfect topping. An edible paper cat. And the best part, if you light it up, there might just be a special surprise underneath. And you get your cake nice and toasty. Aw, that baby's a real doll. I mean it. Let's take it for a stroll. Just hold on. Uh-oh. Quick, someone catch that baby. Save us, Ghost Kitty. Yes, toilet paper. It's always the answer. First, unravel it. Use a blow dryer to speed things up. We'll need it for a soft landing. And she's safe. Guess Kitty's checking out his old haunts. Uh-oh, your phone! Oh no! Hey, when'd you get out? Next time, make sure your toilet's covered. And we've got a pair of tights to spare. Just make a nice hole in the middle. Now we should test it out. Great success! Of course, there are some things we want to go down. Let's try this again. Hey, who put that cactus there? Don't worry, Ghost Kitty's got you covered. Now let's ditch this prickly plant and recycle old plastic into a row of teeth. Now you've got a soft seat. And with this, you'll always get a good look at things. So why don't we try things out? Oh no, Pomni! Watch out for that bite! Well, at least she's not a ghost too. How about we clean her up?
Wow!
Just add soap, water, and spin. She's looking a little flat. Let's add popcorn. Good. Now Pomni's looking a little stuffed. And now she's cute and crunchy. Ooh, hope she doesn't notice that spider. Kitty says we should take a closer look. Wow, are you starting a spider farm?
Oops.
Well, how about we clear them off? But if you like webs, we can make our own. And you know, maybe we can bring back a few spiders. Ah, nothing beats a good book. Uh-oh, your pants! Here, Kitty's got something for you. Use it to make a kitty thumbprint. Fill it up with glue. And add a clip.
Wow!
And you've got a squishy new friend. One who will hold your pants for you, too. And you've always got a dance buddy. Chips. And there's a surprise, too. That chip looks a little different. That's because it's made of coconut. Let's not waste it. Collect it in a cup. You know, coconut goes great with chocolate. Come on, you can't have too much chocolate. Make sure to roll it around the cup. Soon, it's a new treat that holds even more treats. And who would say no to a little whipped cream? And sprinkles. What you waiting for? Have a bite. There's something in your crayon bag, and it sure isn't crayons. Well, anymore. Naughty kitty. But we can fix them. Just add the broken pieces to this alphabet mold. Next, add heat to melt them into place. Pretty soon, they'll harden up into letter-shaped crayons. And they come in the best color there is, rainbow. And you can draw even more letters. Uh-oh, you spilled your dominoes. It's okay. The domino train is here to help.
Wow!
Just add some dominoes inside the tube. Add to the train and take it for a spin. Look, it'll line them up for you. Of course, what goes up must come down. And we wouldn't want it any other way.